Okay, in this set of videos, we're going to introduce you to array formulas and functions. And the file we'll be using is called Array Intro 10. So in the first video, we'll talk about what an array is and what basically an array function or array formula is in general terms. And then we'll get to lots of examples of array formulas first, and then really neat array functions in Excel that can be very useful to you. So what is an array in Excel? Basically, it's a range of cells. For instance, it could be an array like this set of yellow cells in a single row. It could be an array in a single column like these blue cells. Or it could be a two-dimensional array like the orange cells that we've shown here. So what does an array formula or function do? It can perform multiple operations on any subset of the items in the array. Okay, and what's really neat is, unlike a normal Excel function or formula, which fills one cell, an array function or formula can fill multiple cells. Okay, so let's review how ordinary Excel formulas work and then talk about how our array formulas or functions will work, and then we'll get to work using a really simple array formula in the next video. And the reason for using that example is not that it will solve a really important problem, but you'll understand how arrays are operated on by array formulas. Okay, so an ordinary Excel formula, you simply type the formula in a cell and hit enter, and you fill a single cell. Nothing hard about that. We've done that thousands of times, I'm sure all of us. Okay, so how does an array formula or function differ? You first must select the range where the result of the array function or formula goes. So it could be multiple cells. So if you want 3 cells in a single column, you'd have to select a range like that. If you wanted 3 cells in a single row, you'd have to select a range like that. If you wanted the array to be 2 rows and 3 columns, you'd have to select a range like that. Make sure you first select the range where you want the array formula or function to enter values. You've got to do that. Then you would type in the formula that you want, and then you don't hit enter, and if you do, you'll be in trouble. Okay, you hold down the control key on the left, keep holding it, hold down the shift key on the left, and then hold down the enter key on the right, and then your array function or formula should do the job. In the next video, we'll show you a simple example of this. And I just watched the Seahawks beat the Packers. I'm sure many of you will remember that game the rest of your lives. That was an incredible comeback victory by the Seahawks, and Russell Wilson, he epitomizes never give up. I mean, after playing so horribly, he just pulled it out along with the Seahawks special teams. Packers coach helped a bit also.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his Marketing Analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his Analytics Stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.